Going to see the leetcode question 450, that is delete node in a binary search tree. We are given a root node reference to a BST and a key. Delete the node with the given key in the BST. Return the node reference possibly updated on the BST. We know that in a binary search tree, the root is the key. The root. If we take root as the reference node, all the nodes to the left are smaller than the root node, and all the nodes to the right are greater than the root node. So we are given a key, we have to find the key element and we have to delete it. So before deleting, if it is a leaf node, we can delete easily by pointing a temp to this and deleting the temp and returning the root. And if it has left child and do not have right child, for example this is 3, it has 5 as left but do not have right, we have to make 5 as the node, that root node. And if right, similarly right is present, we have to make right is root node if left is not present. Then if both of the nodes are present, we have to replace the root with the greatest element, that is the leftmost element in the rightmost part, that is the element which is minimum in the right subtree of that node. So we have to iterate the leftmost part of the right subtree of that node. So let us see the code of the question. So here is the code of the question. First, we have checked if there is no root, we have to return null. If root value is key before it, if root value is greater than key, then we have to traverse the left part, that is root left equal to delete node, that is the recursive call made. And if root right is present, root value is greater than the key, less than key, then we have to iterate the right part. Otherwise, if root value is equal to key, then we have to check if there is no root, there is no left, there is no right in the root, then it must be a leaf node, so we have to delete that root and return null. If left is present but right not, then we have to point the temp of tree node type to the root left, and we have to return temp and delete the root. Similarly for the right part also, if there is right part of the node is present, then we have to point the temp to the right and delete the temp. If both of this is present, then we have taken a solve variable in which we have passed the root, and in the parameter we have passed the root right. From the root right part, we have to find the leftmost element. So root left and not equal to null, root becomes root left, then we have to return that root. This would return the leftmost element, and this would get substituted, the root now gets substituted with that root min element. That root right value is stored as the in mini, and root value becomes mini. And to connect that root node to rest of the tree, root right becomes root. We make the recursive call for the root right and pass the mini as the key, then return. Finally we have to return the root. This is the code of the question. Thank you.